Well, hello there. How are you?
Hello, Josh. I'm ready to assist you in the factory today. How can I help you?
How can you help me? What is this place?
This is a production-level digital twin of a factory, engineered by J.E. Dunn. I can help you with factory training, operational guidance, safety awareness, or equipment familiarization. Would you like a tour?
I would love a tour. Thank you.
Excellent. As we move through the facility, I'll highlight key areas, equipment, and important safety protocols. Our main goal here is to learn and maintain a safe working environment. Please follow me towards the main assembly line. Hello, Josh. Welcome to the floor. What can I help you with today?
How can you help me today? Tell me about this place.
Good to see you back, Josh. You're standing in the heart of our production floor. This is where we handle the main assembly and quality checkpoints. If you look around, we've got the primary conveyor lines running parallel to us and the specialized workstations over to your right. Where would you like to start? The operational flow or a safety walkthrough?
Could you follow me over here, please?
Of course, lead the way.
These robots on the floor, what are they?
Those are our autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs. They handle the internal transport of parts between stations to keep the line moving without manual hauling. Just keep a clear path and stay mindful of their sensors. They're designed to stop if you step in their way, but it's always safer to give them a wide berth.
Whoa, this one almost hit us.
Step back immediately. Let's move well clear of its path. I'll flag this unit's behavior for maintenance to check its proximity sensors. For now, please stay behind the yellow safety lines until the path is fully clear.
Thank you. You've been a really great help today. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Josh. Stay safe out there and just let me know whenever you need a hand on the floor.
Could you show me where the closest seat is?
There's a seat right over here, about 9 meters away. I'll show you where it is.